Hey there, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a fun and super cute summer ghostess. Even ghosts need a vacation. This adorable character brings spooky and sunny vibes together in the best way. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our fun and easy kawaii tutorials. And here's a question for you. If you were a ghost on summer break, where would you go and what would you wear? Tell us in the comments. We love hearing your creative ideas. Let's dive into today's drawing. Great job, artists! Your summer ghost looks spooky, sunny, and super cute. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other kawaii drawing videos. We've got lots more fun characters waiting for you. Stay creative, have fun, and we'll see you in the next video.